Hey guys, welcome to Style Trails. I hope everyone's doing great. So for today's video, I am back with another monthly favorites video. Now these are again a few random items that I got from Amazon and I absolutely love them. Like I've been loving them through the entire month and I wanted to share them with you guys. And also the Amazon Great Indian Festival is on from the 27th, so in case you want to buy any of these, you're going to get it at a really reasonable price. So now without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first product that I have is from Forest Essentials. This is their eyelash growth serum. Now I love the packaging. It is like a very basic packaging altogether, but when you take out the mascara wand, it just takes out the excess product and you are left with minimal product that you need for your eyelashes. I've been using it for a month and I think I see a difference, but it is obviously not that visible, but I just think that this is working. And I also wanted to give this one a try because I am someone who uses mascara on a regular basis and I want to take care of my eyelashes. So this is something that I've been using and I added it to my nighttime skincare routine as well. Okay, I don't know if you know it yet, but I am obsessed with cream blushes and I recently got this Damn Beauty cream blush stick and I am obsessed. I'm using the shade Valentine and I absolutely love how premium the packaging looks. I love the gold color and how tiny and cute this one looks, and this is so pigmented. I absolutely love it. I'm wearing it right now. I love the shade. I love how seamlessly it just blends out. It looks so pretty. It's like the perfect peachy pink cream blush that you need for every day and I absolutely love it. Okay, I've used this product only once, but I've been meaning to get it for the longest time and I could genuinely use it just once, and that is the Alan Truman Split End Trimmer. This product is a game changer. It's the most easiest thing to use and I love that it is cord free as well. You just have to charge the product, you unlock it and you just use it as a regular straightener. That is it. That is all you need to do. You just like take it down and that is all you need to do. You can just press on and you will have all your split ends and flyaways that might tend to end up being split ends. You will have all of those in this section. It is a mess free situation and I love how my hair just felt super soft after using it. Now that the festive season is starting and Navratri is just upon us, I have been meaning to get this bag for the longest time. Last year se decide kari that I will get it, but for some reason I was like, oh abhi use nahi hoga. But I finally got this bag. This is just perfect. Like this is a very chotu bag. You get a sling. This is just the perfect, and you know, if you love wearing silver jewelry and if you like to style it in that way, this is just like the perfect accessory. After that, I have two game changer products, and the first one that I have is this Innisfree No Sebum Blur Primer. I tried it and I absolutely loved the results. So if the humidity is extremely high, my T-zone tends to get oily. So I got this and this works so good. I used it during Ganpati and I had my makeup on for the longest time, to be very honest, and this worked like magic. There was like, I could feel like my makeup was just looking very flawless and this was the perfect base for it. Now coming on to the second product, and that is the Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder. Now this has multiple uses. You can use it as a dry shampoo, you can use it to set your under eyes. I have used it for both and I love it. I am someone who tends to crease a lot under eyes. I can take like the most minimal amount and it is going to get the work done. The best part is that it also works as a dry shampoo and I actually tried it. It works wonders. I am someone who, like, the scalp tends to get oily every alternate day and this worked. This helped me so much. I can't tell you, I'm so happy with this product. Now I don't think any favorite videos would be complete if I don't share a sunscreen, but this time we have the Earth Rhythm sunscreen stick. Now this, it has SPF 60, PA+++, UVA+, plus UVB. This glides on so beautifully and I mean, it just has that very cooling effect to it and it just feels so lightweight, you guys. I absolutely love it. It is a invisible sunscreen and it smells really fresh, so I like that as well. And so that is it for today's video, and by the end of the video the entire lighting of the video has changed because it is extremely dark outside and it is just raining heavily. But I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and tell me in the comments which of these products have you tried or which of these would you love to give a try. And I will see you guys in my next video super soon. Also, all the product links are mentioned in the description along with the comment section, pinned them, so do check it out and see you soon.